Okay, today's project, I'm going to put in, basically so I can plug my generator in from the outside of the cabin. Here is the box for the outside. Then there's a pipe to go through the wall. And we got the box for the inside. Just got to wire it up. And they even supply you with a drill bit to go through, because it's this is actually an 8-inch wall. So that should reach. And then all the connectors and whatnot, seals. Because basically it's so cloudy today, past couple days. I'll show you outside. Haven't producing much solar. Is a common problem with people living off grid. So yeah, it's trying to have some sun, but not quite enough. Getting very little watts into the system. But we'll get this this switch or transfer, whatever you want to call it, through the wall, and that'll be a lot better. Just a sec. Cut that off. Okay, now I gotta take out this blank. Should just be able to smack it with a screwdriver. Looky there. Pops right out. Now this is going to go on the outside of the wall. This will go through from the outside and through here. Make sure you put the rubber on. And we'll tighten it on and wire it up. Pretty straightforward. Okay, they provide you with these metal screws and some plugs. So I'll try and use them. I was going to just use my wood screws, but they won't. The diameter isn't. It's too thick. So we'll try what they supplied. Good old meat tenderizer that I made in high school. just marking the holes. Just to note, there's I provide a nice, you can't really see it here, but there's a sponge washer seal, goes on either side, so no air will leak through. Okay, now we got to wire it up. Okay, forgot one thing. They only give you this little instruction sheet, lays it out, but not too much detail. But anyway, that's no excuse. I should have known better. This has to come off. Take that apart. And this will have to come out again so I can get the bolts in, right? The nuts go right on the back. Get that on first, then wire it, and then put this plug-in back on. Okay, let's get her done. You know, to wire it up's pretty easy, straightforward, because they got it all marked for you. White, yellow, green, and X for the power. I don't know why they don't have R for red, but whatever. So we'll get her wired up. Only thing on this, you might want to know, they have them all screwed in all the way, so you got to back them off before you try putting the wire in, or it's not going to go too good. Let's check on that. I don't know where these instructions come from, but it says black. Okay, black is X, red is Y. Okay, yeah, it makes sense. For some reason I read blue. There's no blue wire. Yeah, so just as I thought there, red wire is the Y. And why? I don't know. There we go. Just got to seal her up. We got her. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Solid and installed. Okay, I got a wire over here. I got all this from Amazon. Be links in the description as usual if you're interested in anything. I'll plug her in and let's see how it's going to operate. Okay, generator running, plugged in. Got a light here, green. Go inside. Little noisy generator. I gotta get an invert generator or something quieter, put it further away. Okay, now the plan is, we got the power here, you see. So I'm gonna plug in this little charger to start with. And that'll get charging the battery bank. And in the meantime, this plug-in here is for the main cabin. It goes to all the plugins. We'll plug that in. And now we're running the cabin on generator and charging the battery bank. Probably need a better charger of some sort here, but okay, I gotta check something out here. Okay, all's good. Got her plugged in. We got the battery charger charging the battery bank. You can see I may need a different charger, a bigger one of some sort. So help me out if you know a better one. And yeah, charge the battery bank, and in the meantime we got the house cabin plugged in, and I'm charging the Blue Eddy EB55. Yeah, so when there's no sun, I can use a generator to get things charged up. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do. But I'm gonna be very upgrading this solar system as soon as the weather changes, it gets a little better, and be a lot happening on the homestead here. So stay tuned, and we'll have more videos coming up shortly. Over and out from the Canadian Dreamer.